Müller. Werner. Werner shoots! It's in!
They'll kick themselves if that doesn't turn out to be the clincher. What a time to score.
Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final.
Werner. Werner shoots! They'll keep the simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final.
And football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. One glance, and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the... It's Werner!
Oh, that is rather wayward. Well, talking about a man on a mission, that was a super effort.
Messi. Werner. Germany have a chance to counter-attack. He gets past his man. Oh, this has gone, that's foul.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then. Peter, the keeper knows that even if his wall is perfect, it doesn't serve as any guarantee here.
Shaping up to have a cross!
Argentina have got away with it this time, but I think if they carry on giving away free kicks in positions like that, I think they'll be made to pay. They've got to be very careful, just a little more discipline is called for.
It was a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. And it's Messi. Ball's loose, who's getting there? That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. Celso. No question, that's a foul. Oh, the ball's come loose. That'll be a throw-in. Kimmich. Third of the match, or thereabouts, gone, and we still await the first goal. He's in! Werner! Oh, surely that deserved better.
Almost the perfect move. Almost. The finish just wasn't quite at the same level.
Now it's Messi. Gets the better of his man. Martinez. Hoists it forward. Can't get the better of his opposite number. Otamendi. Good challenge, he just stood firm. And it's Messi. Messi. There is the half-time whistle. Well, both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. Germany head to the dressing room, not yet having broken through. Quite cagey game. Not a team really further forward than they were when they started out. Already up and running for the second half.
Well, that first 45 minutes didn't deliver as we hoped. Lots of effort, but a lack of quality with the finishing has left us hoping that someone can step up and produce something a little more magical.
They've got it back as soon as... It's Werner! Di Maria. Messi. Still nothing to reflect upon in terms of goals here. It is 0-0. He's on his... Martinez! Toni Kroos. They're not going to make any further progress now. And here's Messi. That's surely a foul. Free kick. Gets up to hit it! No, he didn't quite hit it right.
I think he deserves credit for getting something away, given that he had to contend with a double dose of closing now.
Gnabry. Gnabry drives it forward. Ginter. Forward it goes. Müller. Werner. Werner shoots! It's in!
They'll kick themselves if that doesn't turn out to be the clincher. What a time to score.
Pretty simple finish in the end. What do you think, Jim?
Yeah, I really can't say enough as to how good the final ball was. It took the defence out of the equation for that split moment, and the damage was all done.
Di Maria. Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. Messi. Cuts it out. Werner. Now it's Müller. It's Müller! Kimmich. Oh, he's found him in space. He's had a goal! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Germany can make their change now with a break in play. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. And it's Messi, just brushed off the ball there. And time is up. Germany win it by the only goal. Result, no question.